know what I'm do, man. Deal, but honestly, if you're grateful for this day, you know, I feel grateful for even the person I really lease the land from. You know, when you hear my story, you know, guys, I'm telling you, say, yeah, just go on the way you do till better come. Yeah, so, you know. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to our next video. So at first you don't see me happy in a long while though. Yeah man, cause boy, if you don't can't walk, go on. Yeah, watch the man. Yeah man, up and running. Yeah man, today I'm a happy day. Yeah, happiest day of my life in a good while. Yeah man, so yeah, in the morning early out carrying the tractor man to do some ploughing in the land. As you wanna know. I always want to plow the land, you know? Yeah man, so get called few help and few support that too also, you know, respect to you guys. Yeah man. So you know, me I do half of it first and then next time I do half according to all the money go, you know? So you know me have the rest of up that side if you do. Yeah, so you know me have be able to call me 1-2 more time after. Yeah man, so work I go start going right now, guys. I show you what I go on. Yeah? Stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a brand new content. Alright, so I will jump right now every day now. Badab. Yeah man. As I say guys, today I'm a happy day, you know? Yeah. Well happy. I know land finally I plow up. Yeah? Yeah man. Tractor man I work. Yeah? So I'm going to do half of it guys. And then I know I'll come back on next day and do half because I have to get things going. Yeah? I have to get things going guys. So I do half of it and then I do the next half. Yeah? So I just saw me do it. Maybe I have to make him come back 2 more times. Yeah, because the land very big. Yeah man. Yeah peeps, yeah man. So well happy. Yeah. I take out the acre first. Yeah man. So now let's watch what I go on. Yeah man. This never plow yet, you know. Maybe it plow but maybe one long time. Yeah man, so that's the operator. Yeah. Yeah I know. Mash it up. So I'm going to sink it now. So this side blade then guys. Hold on. Come on. I want me to till the side, you know. Till the side. Put in some cucumber melon first in Ireland. Alongside some pop chai. Yeah? So I don't know, so yo, I can't lift up my pop chai now guys, because you know quick crop that it and low. Yeah man, too quick is crop. Yeah, so I go on there. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, long time more on the place plow up, man. Yeah? Cause boy, if you park up the whole of this, you know, guys, I take a whole heap out of me and a whole heap more money. Yeah? Cause parking more expensive more than plow. Yeah, man. Well, I must say, whoa, I must say the soil kind of tough, you know, because a long time no plow. Yeah, man. I know I have to get busy and don't see a way. You know? Yeah? Yeah, man, Virgin know what I'm doing, you know? Yeah, man, them are the response way. Most are Tropicana ploughing. Yeah, man. Yeah, me happy day, man. Happy day, happy day. Yeah? Yeah. Aye. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Happy is me, you know? Happy is me, guys. Happy is me. Yeah, man. Happy is me. Cha-cha. Thank you, Father. You know? Shine a little light for me. Yeah, man. That no star. Yeah. Honestly, people, I feel grateful. I feel blessed. You know? Yeah, man, I feel blessed and highly favored, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, thanks be to God, the Creator, you know? Yeah, man. He got the man himself. He made the day possible, you know? Yeah, man, thanks to all of the supporters that we show about helping hand. Yeah, man, I know more help are coming up. Yeah man, cause you know we have some loyal supporter, some supporter we love we. Yeah. Yeah man, so I have some nice supporters. So big up all our nice self. Big up even if you not watch the channel, I see you still support me, you know. Yeah man. Share the channel. Yeah. Yeah man. The new subscribe. Yeah. So see them my peeps. Yeah man, nice day, see me man, nice day, nice morning. You know star. Why? Yeah man. I pity I couldn't start dropping same time. But you know me I gotta work after this done. Yeah? I'm there my people. I go on enjoy the view. I think. I'm telling you say it all look nice, you know guys. I'm telling you, you know. So it all look nice. You just believe in me. You know? I know one day after I just start put out my thing. Yeah man. I know some other days from them time until it reach right just now. You know? So I give thanks to all of you guys that support me from over the years. And you know, even though they still not monetize as yet, you don't know what go on because we reach hours, but me no hear YouTube sticks me and set up me yet. So you know, because me not monetize yet. But you know guys, give me some likes, some more watch hours for the video, yeah guys. Yeah man, from nothing to something, don't it? Yeah, you know, I you with ambition. Yeah man, I you with a dream. Yeah? So, you can see. But didn't fall in our day right now, me I rise back big. Yeah man, so you see all the youth them out there say boy, them fall in a life and boy, them give up on life. No, life don't stop there so. You see life? I want funny thing. It's nice but it's funny. Yeah man, you can do now and tomorrow morning you rise because you're determined. You have to have that determination there now. You have to have that determined drive there now. Yeah? You have to know say you you see your dream can work if you make it work. Yeah man, you have to make your dream work. Yeah man, so I just come out of the comfort zone more time and say, yeah what, me I go for that. And I hate you I go for. Yeah man, so at that me pray. You know, because me I say, yeah what, me get a downfall for the first farm. So right now, me I go rise bigger. Yeah man, so me there right now guys. Maybe I first in the year me so excited still. And all I'm really excited. Yeah, because we see that day guys. You know, me kinda get emotional. Yeah man, but me never know say yeah. Me never know say that day will come. Yeah man, if you can see me right now guys, me kinda emotional. You know? Yeah man, but that's just me. When me say greatness I go on guys, it's like I can't hold it. Yeah man, I can't hold it, honestly. Yeah man, can't hold it guys. You know? So you see all of the youth them out there where have them dream. I want to work on a dream. Yeah man, I want to work on a dream because you're not going to feel like how me feel. No. Honestly. Very emotional guys, you know. Yeah man. Easy for emotion. Me feel now. I'm grateful for that day. Yeah man, I'm grateful. Grateful peeps. I don't know if I don't know what I feel, but honestly, I feel grateful for this day. You know, I feel grateful for even the person I really lease the land from. You know, when you hear my story, you know, guys, I'm telling you, say, yeah, just go on the way you do till better come. Yeah, so, you know, everybody farm below the right way, you know, so at the time I'm going to start pay. Yeah man, so and just work upon a dream. Yeah man, work upon a dream guys. Cause life no end when you fall, you know. You know life end when you're in your grave. Yeah man, that's how life end when you're in your grave. You know, so just push towards the goal. Yeah man. So time the place all look decent man. Yeah man, the place all look good. So I want to big up all of my subscribers them. Big up all of viewers, big up all of my day one subscribers them also, you know. Who there from day one. Till now. Yeah, so you know it thing are go on. Yeah man, it thing are go on man. Yeah, so just watch you are going. Yeah man, when greatness are go on guys, I'm emotional, bad, you know? I'm very emotional. Very emotional peeps. Yeah man. I know when I feel what I feel too, you know. You know? A tears of joy. Yeah man, tears of joy man. Yeah, tears of joy, you know. Yeah man, greatness I run in my blood man. Yeah, greatness I run in my blood guys. Alright, so right as an can work as a trench. Yeah? So I plan on this, go straight to the top from end to end. Yeah? From one end to the other end. I just saw me I go do it. Yeah man, it the over that side here also. And also it cut in a 3 piece, it cut in a 3 part. Yeah? Yeah man, cut in a 3. So we can have like callaloo, cucumber. Anything we want to plant in them. You can plant, but when we want plant one stretch or something. Go straight in a one row. Yeah? So that's the thing set. And then guys, it cut good, it cut fine. Yeah man, let me find the soil. And I see them big clump of dirt there. Yeah? This man know where I do guys. I know where I do. Know where I do man. Know where I do. I know this man full of experience. This man full of experience, my peeps. Cool one. Yeah, do you know? Yeah guys, so thing look nice, don't it? Yeah man. Yeah. Thing up and running. Yes man. Lovely look. Give them an update. You know what I mean? Yeah man, I feel happy man, I feel grateful. You know? The baby look tough, you know, guys, but I know. Soft in a certain year, right now, guys. You know? I'm very soft in certain areas. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I'm very soft in certain areas, guys. Yeah. From nothing to something. Let's take up your machete, no gun thing. Yeah, man.
This stop me and stay, this good now. Way down in a hurt, you know. And if you feel it, stay away,
Yeah.
The wet stay away,
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
The plough couldn't go down there if you take up that wet there.
Yeah, man. The soil wet, guys. Soil wet, you know.
The plough couldn't go down
there. Yeah, man.
The plough so far. Yeah, deep cut, so.
Yeah, man. So peeps, the great Salaman there. Up there, so. Yeah. Yeah, man.
Because when I go outside and look for a piece of grass, I say no, sir. Take out the whole of a piece of grass. So I'm going up there, so.
Yeah.
That's all upside. Can't lean to go.
Yeah, so guys, see the man himself, yeah. This man look like him full of experience. You know? So how much you know you do this, Mr.
Yeah, this man try to come from 17.
Jaja. A whole heap of years that, you know?
Yeah, I'm 49 now.
Yeah.
A whole heap of years.
A whole heap of years. You got a whole of Tropicana and them places.
Yeah, man, the whole of me drive a Jones, I drive a Tropicana, I drive truck, I skate, I drive tractor.
Yeah.
I don't know me now this something.
True, man. Yeah, man, so.
I don't know me now this something. If you know some, I got this land in, I don't know, joking something.
Yeah, then me know say, yo, you're full of experience, man.
I don't guess me, I guess you cut.
Yeah, I know that. Me say, man, you're full of experience.
I guess me, that's why I come to tell you something, I adjust you more. Now go to how I want it.
Okay. I say it kind of look solid. Tight.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
If you tractor motor, you tractor and that.
Tight, man. That's the reason why I couldn't fork it.
You couldn't fork this?
No, man.
Fork what? If I tractor that tight and pressure, it must be.
Yeah, true, man. So, yeah. Yeah, man. So.
Don't make them come back though.
No.
Then grass.
Yeah, man.
And tell you then dry down. Just go through.
Yeah.
And shape them out.
True.
Them are road.
The Salaman there failed me, no, man. You know? Yeah, man. People say Salaman.
Morning.
Zero jar. You know. Salaman have a great help to me, you know. Yeah, man. So. Yeah, man. So Salaman always a great help to me, you know, guys. So, you know, in there I can look, I pass through, look where I go and also kind of going ground. But you know, Salaman work there up a hilltop this the same way. Yeah, I don't have trouble it as I tell you already. You know. I feel work that. Yeah, man.
This man on the farm.
Alright, I see this man here. You make him go and keep down the bush then for me or something when we want to clean up. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, so.
You can imagine a farm plant because I call out. Ain't no water and stuff on them.
Ain't no water no go upon them. Water no go upon them, you know. Pretty man.
I saw upon them.
Yeah, guys, so you must say, you know, a good soil. Yeah, man, good soil. Bring forth good things. Yeah. Then Salah, we didn't pick one melon from this 15 point going. Yeah man. 15 point melon go and you know say I can't carry it home.
Good man.
Yeah man.
Look, right now you find my son.
Yeah man, nice one.
Yeah, it's like all this. You see when we get out of it.
True man.
You see we are free. Please we get out of this. Right?
We come fine like this.
Fine like that. Because this is plough can't break this now for melt this.
True.
The plough can't break this so more drier.
The better.
Because see this dry now.
Find out.
It's dry now.
Yeah man.
See, eh?
True man.
So when the plough come down and run through this now like bullet. I don't see my kick up and go through.
True, so you recommend a next cut after it dry?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mm.
This is just the first cut. This is just the junk cut.
Okay.
So next cut to get it like this.
Oh. Mm.
I say a carrot and something like that.
Yeah man, I put in carrot, cabbage, callaloo, cucumber, same way.
Okay.
Alright. You have couple more weeks and then we are going to do up this, you know. Further around, you know, and that little piece, I so.
Yeah.
Yeah man. Because I go do my report everything, so. And cut this, so.
So up on the line.
Yeah man, I take out a piece there too. Yeah.
Yo.
Yeah.
I mean, I go back and I one here, sir.
Yeah.
But the one here, because them wide. Like you say, when me have to turn.
Yeah, because you're so tall.
Yeah. So when me go up and drop it and drop that, fast me cut off them. I'm going mix them with swap through. Whether working out, no place, better work for yourself.
True.
An idea. An idea, no? You can't have this, you know, and make it out of this right here.
I really think, man.
Man over yourself. Start it out.
You don't go a serious man around here, that's how you say on this man.
Yeah, man, where are some man? You see this man? Some man, I'm great there. This man, I'm grateful for this man.
And a man now rob you. And a man now general you. You ask a man and say, boy, all the farm, I say, so boy, I go there. Because I have a brother in our farm, and I tell him, I say, indeed, and the man come and catch it, and okay, I not see me. General me.
Yeah.
I get a different man, I get on the farm. And the farm, man.
Yeah, man, pay progress, you know? Really for progress. Yeah? Yeah, man, see it there? Yeah. Tractor man, sap it out fast and quick. Yeah, man. So, I make this stay for 3 days before me start apply any seeds or any seedlings. Yeah? I burn out some carbon out of the soil. Yeah, man. So, the sun have to go and do the work. Yeah, man. Him say recommend a next cut still, but I know I can go and do what I don't know because it just cut. So it have to refine out first and then when I come again, go and get a final cut, but a different money that. Yeah, man. So I go and work with this, you know, and see where it bring forth for me, you know. Yeah, man. You know it bring forth greatness. Yeah, man. Whole heap of progress. Maybe you want to say progress. Progress, you know. Yeah, man. So, there, feel grateful. Yeah, man, I act. So, yeah. Give thanks to the Most High. Yeah, man. Give thanks, you know, all the time. So, as I said before, guys, if you have a dream and want to work, just work on it. Yeah, man. Because the sky is a limit, you know. Yeah, man. As I say, you only stop when you're in your grave. So, if you have life, you have hopes. No matter where you go through in a life, there is hopes once you have life. Yeah, man. So, if you're new to the channel, subscribe. Yeah, man. I want to say thanks again to all of my supporters. Yeah, man. Thanks again for dropping on Yeah man, give me a helping hand. And you know more will come. Yeah man, because I say I have some nice supporters. Yeah man. I have some really nice supporters. Yeah, so I know teamwork may dream work, don't it? Yeah, so big up all on yourself. Big up on yourself. Yeah man, one and all. From you view the channel, watch the video, you know you support it same way, even if you don't subscribe. But you know I like when time when you subscribe. If you're new to the channel. Yeah, subscription is a one-time thing. Yeah, unless you change your email address or so. But you know, one-time thing subscription. So, you know, bell it. Click the bell to get all our notification whenever we drop a new content. So you see right now guys, right after the real work start. Yeah man, the real work start right there so. Yeah, so you know, just stay tuned, follow the channel and see what we're going. Yeah man. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Farmer Bernard. I know from nothing to something. From the gully to the money. Alright, that's how we are reach right now. Yeah man, so whole heap of progress. I will go on guys. Yeah. So I like how I have enough on there so from day one to now. Yeah man. So you know whole heap of transformation I go on. So I just continue to have faith in me. Yeah man, have trust in me. Yeah. Yeah man, have trust in all of my dreams them. Yeah, so you know. There, I check out. Yeah man. So look out for many more videos guys, because yeah so it just started. Yeah? So stay tuned.